Oh my. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Oh, that's 3, 4, 5 plus videos. Got special guest Red. Haven't seen him in a while. Yeah, hey guys. So Sonic, you said that we're gonna be playing some Angry Birds. Yeah. What's this foolish game? I have an explanation, Red. Just calm down. Oh, someone kill you! Where are you? This is not an SSD plush video. This is an SSD plush reaction. I mean, not reaction. We're not going into reactions yet. Just watch the video with me. You'll love it. You'll enjoy it. Okay, ready? Gosh. Okay, guys. So Red, who wants to play fast? You want to play fast, yeah? Okay. Which one do you want to do? Classic pool. Oh, we always. Yeah, fine. It's very fun. Don't worry. You get a lot of kills in this one. Hey, what are you guys doing? Hey guys. I'll just be sitting here in the back. Okay. Well, what am I even doing? Okay. So Sonic, how do you do this? Okay, press that. Okay, you just kill assistant, but now let's just see if you can try and get your own kill. So what happened? You died. Oh man. I'm gonna try and get this guy. This guy doesn't look that tough. Yes, I got a headshot. See that, Sonic? Yeah, I do. Yeah, I saw that. Okay. Oh, come. Invince. Okay, I can try and snipe someone. Okay. Oh, come on. Where was I killed? Because you're not the best at this game. Red. That's it, I'm gonna go for power now. Well, you can't. I mean, you went for power on me once when we played this once. Okay, Nemesis. I'm doing it. How much you getting kills now? I mean, I'm getting killed, but I'm still getting kills now. Whoa! Go. See, Sonic, I'm on fire. Yeah, you are on fire. Let me see if I can see some diamonds. Because I put some diamonds before. He killed me, but I killed him too. Okay, Sonic, this game is fun, but you didn't even get 6 kills. How sad. You got 5 at least. That's good. Were you on your pro, Red? Oh, come on, show me. You're true. Oh, let's just get that out here. Oh, I have something. Can you get over here? So guys, you know the thing. Oh yeah, I know. What eat? We're gonna do that. We're gonna eat. Wait. What? Yay! Okay. Now, guys, this is a pro's turn. This is how pros work. They can get assistant. They can get killed, but most pros, there's fire on them to keep them going. And my name here is Sonic Dash 345. I've got like out of 2 or 3 kills. Oh, come on! Yes, I actually got a kill. Oh, another kill. A double kill. I need a bunch of other players to come up and fight me. Oh, come on, I could have gotten a triple kill. I got a double kill, yes guys, see? Now this is a pro's work. I'll get more than him. Get more than red, yeah. So God, you have to eat me, though. It still hurts. I'm still strong, I mean, you have the Angry Bird spirit in you, but fine, the next gameplay we'll do Angry Birds, okay? Yeah. And I mean, like, okay, we'll find a good Angry Birds game. And with the one who created this channel is great at playing Angry Birds. Nemesis. And my nemesis is pigs. No, get on back. Don't get 6 minutes to be priming when you start out, I guess. But when I started out, I got 14 kills. Fine, just kidding. I only got, I mean, the creator of this channel, he got, like 9. He had 9 kills when he started this game. But then he must put in all these skills, and then he became a great gamer. Okay, let me destroy him. Oh, come on. I want to have more fun with these guys. So fun. Like my little punching. Oh, that's it. You gone down now. Some pros can get 10. Oh, wait, you got 10. No, this is preposterous. Oh, come on. We came in second. I mean, I wasn't even trying that hard if I wanted full power. You know that? I'll win. And my XP so close to level 20. Now this is about the time. Whoa! What you could have done now? Okay. Rocket. Oh, come on! This guy's a noob. Lucky that he killed me. Oh, I'm playing. Yeah. You got those kills from me, right? Yeah. I want to start you off. Do I have any other teammates? Come on. I want to take this match all by myself, Sonic. Yes. What? Yeah. Take it home, Red. For real. Where? It was just. Do I have any other team? What are you doing? Don't tell me you're customizing. Don't tell me you're getting your guard. Oh, come on. You're already meant to be prepared during this match. No. Wait, what? Okay, that was... Okay, I just thought that was invisible. Finally, this guy's stepping up. But he kill assistant. I'm the one who's just doing... I'm doing everything. I'm actually doing everything in this match. In this match, I'm just carrying this whole team. Are you gonna? Yeah. Come on, Red. You can do this. You've seen an example of a pro. Well, you've never taken a whole match. Me, never taken a whole match. Of course I have. I had to carry one whole team before. Most of them really done nothing. Really done nothing. I had to take down people like guys like this. It was so bad. Come on. Yeah. Okay, Red, you're good. You're doing good. But you're sort of sniping good. Okay, so I'm trying my best. Oh, really, that's your best. That boy ain't gonna beat you, because he's great. He has he's pretty good at this game, and no, not pretty good. He's awesome at this game. Yeah. And at least kill noob. Come on. So like I'm trying. Come on. Didn't even get to carry out. When I done this, I got. Need to ruin them balls that bit because didn't even see how much kills you got. You probably got a lot. Okay. Now Red. No, this is how you do it. Okay. Brave spread left. I guess there's no bad guys. So no one can get attacked. Oh no, there you are. Oh yeah. Oh, salty crunch, yeah. I guess both of us will always be bad. Wait, but I got noob. Ew, I got noob. What noob? Yeah. Or unless you want to play some forces instead. No, don't worry, don't wait for another video. No, I can't do this. You can't do this to me. Yeah, well that's it now. As I got noob, I have to. I mean, he's not that bad, I guess. Okay, how much is tired of salty crunchy? 74. Oh, that's it. 74. He could actually. I'm gonna take a guess and say that he has an Iron Man skin. You know about the Avengers? I mean, who can't have like skins like that? Oh, chili dogs. Shoot. SHOOT. Come on. I'm not even trying that mod. Yeah, guys, I actually got a conversation to tell you. Red is actually playing it. Wait, what? Yes, yeah, I've been playing it. Oh, because I didn't get to see it, so I want to see how much kills you're gonna get now. Come on, Red. How much will I get? How much will I get? Oh, Sonic, you got understand. You think you didn't even do anything? Oh, really? For the side, just you haven't got enough kills. You haven't even Red. I just got more kills than you last round. I get more on a daily basis. Come on, oh, come on. You at least killed that guy, right? Can you take... These guys are so easy. Even Mighty Spirit, he could beat you each day. Oh, someone's right there. Oh, come on. Oh, that's how much tired of Salty Punch crunching out. He's dying today. Oh yeah. Yeah. If I had the mech on the samurai, I would go in as a samurai and attack. So good. True kill. Give me a mo. Oh, come on, you didn't even get a multi-kill. How much did I get? 8. Okay, I got 7. So Red, how do you like it? First time playing Pixel 3D. Also carry. But you know what? Yeah. You can't do anything, Sonic, because I'm more powerful than you. You know, in the last one that I played, I really got like 10 kills. Well, you got, huh? At least leveled me up. Did I get a samurai? I'm pretty sure I could have gotten the samurai already. Okay. No, can't replace Sonic Forces. Sonic. Hey, no, we need to play this game. We need to get it recorded and done. Challenge is complete.
Stop scrolling. I have to tell you about this really
Far away. Do you know he's still there in the back? Yes, I'm still there in the back. Remember, don't forget the Nintendo characters. Yeah, even though you have 0 games. Oh, what do you mean? Super Mario Run? Why are you in it? I don't know. Okay, what about, you're in Super Mario 3D World. What one should I do now? And do you want this thing to load quicker, Sonic, or do you want to push it down your MB storage stuff, whatever? Let's go do a little bit of where is this? What? First we need to open it. Oh, what? Yeah, the samurai. That remove bit armor. $160. 170. Oh, come on. You get that at level 12. I was like, oh. I guess I can't use any more gems. So bad. Because I can just... What do you mean I can upgrade that? No, I'm not gonna waste that. Precious dope. Where is it? What about? We're gonna do this. Then after this, we're gonna play some Angry Birds, okay? This video, Angry Birds. I hope this video gets like 6 likes or 1. Yeah, and if this video gets a like, we'll play 6 hours of Angry Birds. Yeah, it will be a stream. Yeah. Fine. No, fine. The only reason why I'm giving it a stream is because we didn't have enough MB to process the maximum time of this video. I mean, MB like mobile data. Let's see. But if you want us to stream Among Us, we can do that too. Okay, 2 kills now. Time was kind of short. I'm gonna use my pro stuff. Other stuff. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, 3 kills. Oh, yeah, come on. Okay, let's go double kill. Okay, like 3 kills now. Thanks. Is there anyone? This time was too short anyway. Headshot. Headshot. Take that. Take it. Take it. I got like 4. And I wasn't even 5. Okay, at least I done something good. Red. Oh. Let's dance now. Who's awesome? I can do this. Whoa! Oh yeah. Okay guys, see you next video. I got to update my skin because I can't look like this. See ya.